Yo, what's going on? All my homies, homettes, dudes, and dudettes. It's your boy Will, back again, getting ready to run through another one of these things that I like to call ride along. And today, we're riding along with this one. This is a discontinued fragrance, but this is Lamal's Superman, and I think it's called I Love Gaultier, but it's the Superman version, which they made a couple of versions of it. They made the Superman, Popeye, and something else, but they were making it the same fragrance, but just different names for a couple of years. But I think now it's discontinued. But this is the one that I'm going to wear today. Start off, get a couple of sprays on those pulse points, and get one behind the neck and one on the shoulders. I like hitting my shoulders because it creates a nice scent bubble. And then one behind the ear there and central. Yeah, okay, that's good. So yeah, gonna do a ride along with me. Check it out. Oh, and also, it goes without saying, before you put your fragrances on, take a shower, moisturize your skin. That makes the fragrance last a little bit longer. Some people have said that some of the fragrances that I said they would last long, they said it didn't last long. So that could be a part of it. So make sure you moisturize your skin. Anyway, let's do this ride along. Let's go. Let's check it out. Okay, I totally forgot to tell you the time. It is now it's 12:02. It's been a little while. I forgot completely about adding the time, but yeah. So here we go. Let's start now. Let's get it going. All right, folks. So I've been running around a little bit, and I'm finally back in the house. I was outside. It's kind of warm today. It is what, 82 degrees. Wait a minute, 82 degrees outside. So it was kind of warm today. So the fragrance is dissipating pretty quickly. It's kind of late now. It is 3:43. And so that's been almost 4 hours. So it's way into the dry down. Like, I barely can smell it unless I put my nose all the way up to my face. And actually, I can still smell it on my shirt pretty good. I don't smell it too strong. I don't know if anybody else smells it. I haven't gotten any compliments or anything like that. But I'll keep rocking with this for another couple of hours and see if it comes back. I have some more running around to do a little bit later, but yeah, so just to update. All right. Hey, all right, folks. Man, I've been running around a lot today, and I've been missing out on a lot of recording. But right now, it is, I don't know if that's coming through, it is 6:01. So right now, the fragrance is completely, I don't know if you guys can hear me. Let me roll the windows up. The fragrance on my skin is pretty much gone. Yeah, I don't smell anything really. Not anything. Not anything that you can be warrant as a fragrance on your skin. But on my shirt, I still smell that. It's like a fresh, like a citrus type of vibe, almost like a freshly cut grapefruit. Um, um, and I don't think the fragrance has grapefruit in it, but it smells. That's what it smells similar to. And it's not projecting at all. It's pretty closely confined. So I would say, I think it lasted. It was good, like around 4 o'clock, and well, it was okay. It was close to the skin, but like around the 5 o'clock hour, I think I put it on like around 11:30, and I clocked in the time at like 12. So 4 or 5 hours, not bad for summer scent. It's not bad, but the thing is, if you want it to last longer, if you want this fragrance to last longer, just put it on, add it to your clothes too. Don't just put it on your skin, because the skin, I think it lasted. I got a good projector out of it for about the first 2 hours. Then after that, it became really close to the skin, which is really good because I was in the car with someone, so didn't smoke them out. But anyway, that is that. I'll probably do another check-in once I get back. I'm heading to the gym, and I'm gonna see. Like I said, right now it's 6 o'clock. I don't smell anything, but I'm heading to the gym. I'm gonna see if the fragrance comes back, because sometimes that happens when my skin heats up. I'll be able to smell the fragrance again, but I'll let you know. All right. Until then, I'll be back. All right, folks. I am back. Just doing a little update. And like I thought, the fragrance did come back in. And it's not like it's projecting greatly or anything, but as soon as I start sweating, it came out. Like I can smell it on my arm. It still has that brightness, that fresh grapefruit cut that I was telling you guys about. Hopefully y'all can hear me because the music is loud. And right now it is 7:38. I don't know if that'll come up. 7:38. So it came back, but I wouldn't say that this is going to be a fragrance that. I wouldn't say that it can last 7 hours. It can last 7 hours, but I wouldn't say that you're going to be getting work from it for 7 hours. For it to like if you're going to a party for 7 hours, it's not going to do that. But then again, it may, because if you go to a party, you start sweating, it come back in life like this. But once I leave, I'm pretty sure it's going to be gone all completely. But I'll do another check-in once I get finished here. And yeah, I'll see you in a little bit. All right, folks, I am back home, and it's getting late now. The fragrance is way gone. It came back for a few minutes when I was working out, when I was heating up. I could smell it a little bit, but it was still close to the skin. It wasn't like it was projecting throughout the gym or anything, but I could smell it, and I didn't have to get all the way up on it, but I could smell it like that. By the way, right now it is 9:29 or almost 9:30. So yeah, fragrance long gone. So I would say the last time I checked in at the gym was the last time I had any smell of it. So yeah, that was that. And thanks for riding along with me. But before I let you guys go, let me just go through the notes. Let me just refresh my spray, or just get a fresh spray to remind myself. Yeah, this opens up really bright. It's a really bright fragrance. It starts off with, let's read these notes. The top notes are mint, aldehydes, and neroli, and it comes off that brightness from the mint and the neroli that hits off pretty sharp in the opening. Then the mid notes are sage, clary sage, amber, and woody notes. And then in the base, there's vanilla, tonka bean, and sandalwood. Actually, that's what I kind of was getting. I was getting kind of a sweet vibe when I was in the gym. It's probably that vanilla and tonka bean that I was getting, kind of a mixture. It almost smelled like a kind of like a candy, almost. But yeah, so that's what it was. All right, so thanks for riding along with me. This has been a long day. It's been a long ride along, but I forgot to record certain parts of it, but it's all good. I still get the part across of how long it lasted, and it was 80, I think it was 83 degrees or something like that today, so it was a little warm. All good. But anyway, thanks for riding along with me. This is your boy Will. I appreciate your time. I know you could be anywhere else in the world, hanging out with me, talking about a ride along fragrance with Jean Paul Gaultier's Superman. There he is, up in the sky. All right, till next time, deuces.